In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a rolling text effect using Canva. This is a fun and creative way to make your text elements pop, and it can be especially useful for projects like social media graphics or digital flyers. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to open Canva. Once you're inside the Canva dashboard, you'll want to start by preparing your design. You can choose the dimensions that best suit your project. For instance, you might need a square size if you're designing for Instagram or a different dimension for a digital presentation. With your canvas ready, the next step is to change the background to black. This will serve as a great contrast to make your text stand out, especially if you plan on using bright colors or white for the text itself. Once your background is set, head over to the Text tool. Click on Text in the left-hand menu and then select Add a Heading. Here, you can choose the font that best suits your style. Canva offers a wide selection, so feel free to explore until you find the one that fits your vision. After selecting the font, adjust the font size. Depending on your canvas size, you might want to go bigger or smaller to fit your design needs. Now comes the fun part. Start typing the first letter of your text. Once you have this letter, you'll duplicate it to create each additional letter. This might sound a bit tedious, but it actually gives you better control for the rolling text effect. Once you have all the letters typed out, highlight everything. This makes it easy to perform the next steps on all letters simultaneously. To neatly arrange your text, go to the Position option. Here you can select Tidy Up to ensure that all your letters have the same distance between them. This spacing will be a crucial element in achieving a clean and cohesive rolling text effect. Now, slightly adjust each letter vertically. This staggered alignment creates the rolling effect that adds dynamic movement to your design. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Scooping some letters high and others low can add to the overall visual interest. After adjusting, duplicate your text and place the duplicate copy right below the original. This layer will help enhance the rolling text effect we've been working towards. Next, go to Elements in the left-hand menu and select a square shape. Change its color to black, making it blend seamlessly with the background. Adjust the size of the square to obscure parts of your text, which adds a playful peekaboo effect. With your black square in place, you'll need to manage the layering. Go to Layers and select Bring Forward so that the square covers the intended portions of the text. Sometimes the other letters may peek through. If this happens, simply send the square backward and keep adjusting until it looks just right. And there you have it. You've successfully designed a rolling text effect in Canva. This technique is not only simple, but also incredibly versatile for making your designs more engaging. Thanks for watching and happy designing.